Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end and you guys can continue to make good profits with us. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. So when we were discussing this gold pair, market was trending over here and we marked this area as our area of short-term support and this area as our area of short-term resistance. Okay, so now let me zoom in a little bit for you guys so you guys can have a better understanding. As you guys can see that when market was trending over here, market tested our area of support, and once market gave us a green candle over here, then we could take a positive entry, good entry over here. So as we would take this entry, yeah, stop loss would be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, and our take profit will be here. So this trade would have given us a profit of 17.2%, which is amazing. Okay, so other than that, market did not really give us any other opportunity to buy this pair further. And then as soon as the market closed above our area of resistance, as you guys can clearly see that this was a huge candle, so we would have preferred to stay out of the market. Only if you were very risky player, then you guys could take this buy entry over here, and you guys could have made some profit of approximately 0.5 or 0.8% till here. So this trade would have only given us a profit of 0.5% further, so not much profit as well. And to stay out of the market would have been better. Okay, so now let me zoom out for you guys to mark the new areas of support and resistance. So first of all, let us have a look at the 4-hour chart. Do we have anything recent available? As you guys can see that we do not have anything recent available, so we will be marking new areas of support and resistance. So as you guys can see that this is the new area of resistance for us, so we'll be moving the resistance area above, and the latest area of support will be approximately this area, and this will be moved approximately here. Okay, and now let me move all the scenarios forward as well, so you guys can continue to make good profits within this pair tomorrow as well. And if there is anything else that you guys would like to know further, just let me know in the comment section. And if there is anything that you guys would like to learn regarding the trading psychology, just let me know in the comment section as well. Okay, so I will be very glad to help you guys out as much as possible. So yes, so that's all pretty much for you guys. Okay, so if just for tomorrow, just follow this given key and these scenarios, and you guys will be good to make some amazing profits in this gold pair tomorrow as well. And that's it for today's videos. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you. And meanwhile, if you guys have not yet hit the subscribe button, then please do. Thank you.